Why do the most powerful people in the room often say the least? Because every extra word can reveal something. Your intentions, your emotions, your weaknesses, or what you are afraid of. Sometimes silence creates something words cannot. Uncertainty. And uncertainty makes people pay attention. Law 4 of the 48 Laws of Power is simple. Always say less than necessary. The idea isn't that talking is bad. It's that uncontrolled talking can weaken your position. The more you explain, the more information you hand to other people. They can question it, challenge it, twist it, or use it against you. One of history's clearest examples is Louis XIV of France. Louis XIV understood that power was not only about armies, wealth, or political decisions. It was also about perception. At Versailles, access to the king was carefully controlled. Court life revolved around elaborate ceremonies and rituals, making even ordinary moments involving the monarch seem significant. His communication was part of that controlled image. He did not need to constantly prove his importance. His position, ceremony, presence, and deliberate behavior communicated authority before he even spoke. And that's where psychology becomes interesting. When someone talks endlessly, people quickly learn what they think, what they want, and sometimes what makes them insecure. But when someone remains calm and speaks deliberately, there is less information to process and more room for people to wonder. Silence can create anticipation. Restraint can signal self-control, and self-control can strengthen the perception of confidence and authority. Think about a negotiation. One person immediately fills every pause, explains their offer 3 different ways, and keeps defending their position. The other listens, pauses, and answers only what is necessary. Who appears more in control? The smarter alternative isn't to become silent or mysterious for the sake of manipulation. It's to stop talking once your point is clear. This principle works at work, in interviews, during arguments, in leadership, and even online. If someone misunderstands you, explain what matters. If an important decision requires detail, give the detail. But don't keep speaking simply because silence feels uncomfortable. The more you explain, the more you give people to argue with. Law 4 is not about being rude. It is about intentional communication. Speak when your words add value. Listen when others reveal information. And know when the conversation has reached the point where another sentence would only weaken what you've already said. Sometimes your strongest statement is the sentence you choose not to say. Law 4. Always say less than necessary.